driving up to Obenhaus, you realize how unique the homes that Dwell Development really are. As you approach, you see these striking black paint contrasting with the clear cedar siding. It's really quite lovely as you approach. Once you enter the home, you're also greeted by this immense light and light quality, being that you've got direct western exposure. You open up into the dining room and kitchen area almost immediately off the entry. From there, you can see these walls of windows that take advantage of the views of Lake Washington, the city, the skyline, and the Olympic Mountains beyond. The kitchen itself is fantastic, and Dwell uses some really unique products. So you'll find a dual Wolf ovens, Cove dishwasher, marble countertops, and a separate pantry with a dishwasher and sink as well. As you round the corner, you're graced by these beautiful black accent walls, again, very unique, very striking, these slat walls. And then the living room or entertaining area, family area with this great outlook and tremendous views as well. The main floor is blessed with 2 bedrooms, or a bedroom and an office is how we have it staged. Both have generous sized closets, and then we have another bathroom setup that you can close off and use as a powder and separate bathroom, or just kind of one open bathroom depending on how you or your family might live. Upstairs you ascend and you're again immediately greeted by the doors that take you out onto this incredible outdoor living area, covered rooftop deck area, plenty of room for entertaining, dining, enjoying reading a book and taking in the amazing views. There's 2 bedrooms in the upper level, so you've got the primary suite, which has amazing western views, huge windows that the primary suite benefits from, and then a very luxurious primary suite with dual vanities, soaking tub, large walk-in shower, and then a his and hers kind of combination closet. Down the hallway, you've got the secondary bedroom, which has also got an ensuite bathroom that adjoins as well to the hallway, and a stacking washer and dryer in the hall, just in case you have the need to do laundry from the upper level. So going back down again to the lower level, as you enter in from the garage into this fabulous mudroom, drop your shoes, grab the dog leash, go out for a walk down the hallway. You've got a large laundry room with stacking washer dryers, lots of storage space, cabinetry, and then a recreation room downstairs as well that has a little mini kitchen. Great for, multi-generational living, for long-term guests, as that adjoins another full bathroom, bedroom, and walk-in closet. All of that goes out into the flat backyard. Again, super unique to have a view property with a flat yard.